0-0 white ha? 0-1.
It's leaders versus pure life for our open league category. Net versus Abando or Jambo. First position of leaders. It's Salazar. 2-0. Now Abando. Guard number 2 is still again by Net. Drive on number 2, take. Shot by number 2, it's 4-0.
You call him, it's not now. It's not, the mobile is not ringing. You tell them to have the money here, 900.
Nice shot by Luka. Rebound on leaders. Now Luka. Salazar. Looking for Net. Net out the jump. Yes on Net. 6-0. It's a 6-0 run coming from the leaders. Abando.
Now ringing. You call him.
Steal again on the leaders. Nice move first, but now 8-0. It's an 8-0 run coming from leaders.
Just tell them.
Open chopper ball, rebound again on Salazar. Salazar. Nice pass to Luka. Luka open jump, rebound on White Shirts. 8-0. Red DK, nice fake, nice drive. 1-on-1, looking for fake. Kick out pass, 3-point shot, too strong. Rebound on Salazar. Now Salazar move. It's short. Salazar again. It's short again. Rebound on Pure Life. In and out. Rebound on Net. Now Net. Drive, goes to coast, Net, yes on Net, 10-0. Steal on Salazar. In and out, Salazar again, same spot, Salazar, 12-0. Now it's a 12-0 run coming from leaders, 7 minutes. Abando guarded by Julian. Abando again, 1-on-1 by Julian. Same ball, 10 seconds to shoot. 7 minutes remaining time. First quarter. Our first game for our open league category. Kick a pass. Short. Rebound by Net. Now Net running, gunning, looking for Luka. It's Luka. Time out. On Pure Life, our score is 14 against 0. All score by leaders. After the ball game.
May sab ba to? May sab?
Wala.
Nagpapalit kasi yung kasama ko eh.
Bakit?
We can change every time? We can't. Sorry, mate.
You have to change by quarter. Julian, we cannot set. You know what I do. We can change every quarter.
Okay.
6 minutes and 46 seconds. 14 against 0. Our score. All against the leaders. Silang. Repeat short, dribble by Julian. Now Julian to Salazar. Looking for Julian. Oh, turnover on leaders in 6 minutes and 22 seconds. Still our first quarter, first game for our open league category.
Welcome.
He's he's still 15 minutes away.
Okay, no problem. Okay, second quarter.
Now running, gunning, nice move! What a great move now, 16-0. What a great move coming from Winners now, 5 minutes and 50. Still, upon the turnover, 5 minutes and 52 seconds.
That one is the black. What's it?
Cody.
It's Cody.
Cody?
Net. And drive is no! One of my best, 18-0. Now is smiling. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Still by Salazar. Tipo kay Salazar. It's Julian. Julian went one. Looking for steal on pure light. Still by Salazar. Time out. All this. It's an 18-0 score. Still pure light. No score for the first quarter.
Good job, fellas. Good job. Y'all need a notification speech or something like that? Are y'all good to go? Yo, hey, keep it up. Good job. Keep that. Is how many minutes? 10 minutes per quarter. Okay. Yeah, 10 minute quarters. All right.
Pando, guarded by Cody.
Running clock. Just let you call a timeout in the last minute.
Silang. Nice. Time to shoot. Steal on Salazar. Salazar looking for net. Up and down. 20 against 0. All by Winners. Still by Cody. Salazar. Now Salazar to Now Julian Beck. It's Julian. Simple shot coming from Julian. Our reigning MVP on Open League Category Season 3. It's Julian. 4 minutes. Abando, short. Rebound by Cody. Now, Luca. Nice pass again, Net. Open jump. Elbow jumper by Net. Now 24 against 0. Your line, worship your life. Now Abando. One involved by Luca. Abando move. Abando to strong by Abando. Rebound to Luca. Steal. Now it's pure light. Driving. Now drive 1-1. Substitution na. Pilot substitution na.
No, we can't change first and second quarter. We cannot change. Can't sub. First and second quarter, we cannot sub. No.
Back to the ball game.
You're supposed to have 10 players. They're going to get extra points because they have 10 players. You have to have 10.
Salazar looking for Net. What a move coming from Net to Salazar. It's 26 against 0. Nice pick. Abando. 10 seconds to shoot.
10 points is really no matter. I'm not ready.
High. Oh, it's first basket of your life. 26 Against the 0-2. 26 has 2. Now Cody. Julian. Looking for Nen. Nen. Elbow jumper again by Nen. No one gets up by Nen. 28 against the 2. Now 26-point lead on leaders. It's 2 minutes and 30 seconds first quarter. Ampano, nice steal again on Julian. Now Luka, looking for net, stop up. It's same ball. 2 minutes and 15. Cody, short. Now Pure Light, 3-2. Still Pure Light running. Oh, it's miscommunication again by Pure Light. 1 minute and 50 seconds. This is our first game, first match for our open category. It's Pure Light versus the leaders. Now Salazar, fake. Now looking for his teammates, send the play, 10 seconds to shoot. Ne again, now too deep by Ne. Now Albano, 1-1 by Ne. Albano, it's guarded by 2. Albano again. Albano, it's steal by Luka. Luka to Ne. Ne to, oh, steal Ne again. Ne, looking for Cooley. Cody now. Nice pass to Luka, drive, nice pass to Ace. 3-second violation on net turnover on Lears. 28 against 2. It's the first turnover of the game on Lears. 1 minute. Pass outside. Corner pocket elbow to bang. 4-28. It's a 24-point lead on Lears. Salazar. Guarded by 1-1. Move. Salazar. Crossover move. Nice pass. That's when Luka. Oh, too deep. Albano. Now it's 3-2. Looking for his teammates. 35 seconds. Steal by Salazar. 1-1. Salazar. Salazar now. Guarded by 25 seconds. Albano is still. Albano now. Ice foul. Foul on Ne. It's first personal foul on Ne, second on leaders. 19 seconds. Seconds. 10 seconds. Bang! Good. It's 30 against 4. It's all by leaders. Second quarter ready, second quarter.
Nangyari pag uniform na. Pag uniform na. Pangit ka uniform. Mari naman, mari. You can go now.
James, let's go.
No change, no change. Third quarter.
Now he's here, Aguilar. Nice pass. Whoa! What is that now? 6:30. Slowly, surely now by Pure Light. Cody. Back to Cody. Drive. Kick out pass to Luka. Short. Rebound again on Pure Light. Now running. Saluya. Drive. Kick out all. It's foul. Foul on 0-1 on leaders. It's 9 minutes and 25 seconds. 60 against 6, 30 against 6. It's a 24-point lead on leaders. Now 7 against 30. Salazar. Short. And rebound again on Pure Life. 1-1 drive. Attack all the way. Short. Nice move all the way. Bang. Money. Foul on number 14 on Pure Life. His first team foul on Pure Life. First personal foul. On number 14, Saluya. 9 minutes remaining time. 32 now against 7. All by Lears.
7 lang sila.
Now 33 against 7. Air ball, Sir Devon Ribbon. Now Kuri. Oh, it's Luka. All the way, it's Luka time. 35 against 7. Ito pass. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Priolo. 10 to 35. Salazar. No hesitation shot. Bang, bang, bang! On Salazar. 38 against 10. Aguila. Rebound on Sir Devon. Now Salazar, 3-2. Salazar looking short. Rebound on Luka. Same ball. Lears ball. 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Yes, on third Demon. 30-40 to 10. It's a 30-point lead on Lears. Aguila. Nice pass. Yo-yo mo. What a goal. 12-40. Wala kay Tubang Saluya. Slowly but surely now, Pure Life, keeping alive. Luka. Salazar. Salazar again. Salazar short rebound on Aguila. Now Aguila got it by Luka. Aguila 1-1. Aguila drive. Aguila fake. Aguila jumper. Too strong. Rebound on Pure Life. It's foul. Foul again on 0-1 on Leaders. Second personal foul on 0-1. Second team foul against Leaders. It's 2-1 against 240. Time out on Leaders. It's 13 against 14. 27-point lead on the Leaders.
He's out there. Okay. Sergio, you in?
Kunin yung jersey. Sir, kukunin niyo yung jersey niya, sir, ha? Kukunin yung jersey.
How long the timeouts? Sergio. You guys still play? No? Yeah.
Hi, Sergio.
How you doing?
Good.
6 minutes remaining time. For second quarter, Luka. Cody. Nice move by Cody. Short top. Rebound on Pure Life. 3-2. Running down in your smoke. Rebound on Sergio. It's foul. Foul on number 9 on Pure Life. First personal foul on Camino. First second team foul on Pure Life. It's 5 minutes and 42 seconds. Second quarter, it's Salazar. Stop up. Salazar, recitation shot. Short. Rebound again on Pure Life. Baseball pass. Steal on leaders. Hey, Sergio. Short top. Second time around. Up. Rebound on Pure Life. It's 5 minutes. Saluya. Nice steal on Luca. Now Luca 1-1. It's Luca Galvey Aguila. Foul. Foul on number 6 on Aguila. It's first on Aguila. Second team foul on Pure Life. It's 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Still 20-point, 27-point lead on the leaders. Now Sergio. Nice move. Drive. Coast to coast. Too strong. Top. It's Pure Life. Aguila. Now it's 5-2. Nice pass to Aguila. Oh, it's still again on. Now 3-2. 4-2. Drive. Cody to Salazar. Fake. Cody again. Luca. Cody. It's just 3-second violation on clears. It's power number again on leaders. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Short, too strong, rebound against Pure Life. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Pure Life. Kanina, now 16-14. Luca. Pass, nice pass to Luca again. Nice play! What a play from Luca, now 42-16. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Aguila. Still again by Pure Life. It's Luca 1-1. Luca drive. Oh, it's Luca. 44 against 216. Bang! 80-44. Three minutes and 20.
3 points.
Sergio, 10 seconds to shoot. Foul on number 13 on Pure Life.
9.
Number 9 on Pure Life.
Kanye bro.
Nice move, Sergio. 46-18. Slowly now. It's pass. Bang! Male. 21-46. Now 25-point lead on leaders.
Nice D, George!
Rebound on Pure Life. 2 minutes.
Oh no.
Foul on 0-1. Third personal foul against 0-1 on leaders.
What?
2 minutes and 37 seconds. Now Aguila. Nice fade. Back to Aguila. Same spot. Air ball too strong. Rebound against Pure Life. 40 shot clock. Nice move. Nice pass to Aguila. Short rebound against Pure Life. Nice fade. Move. Stop up. Whoa. Male. 23 against the 46. Now 23-point lead on leaders. 2 minutes. Cody mo, pow. Now, foul on number 14. Now, Pure Life on penalty.
Saluya second personal.
First personal foul on number 14 on Saluya. It's 1 minute and 54 seconds. It's 1 out of 2 coming from Cody. 47 against 23. All still by leaders. Aguila. Nice full rotation now. It's 10 seconds to shoot. Pass, Aguila. Boom! No one can stop me. Aguila. 25 to 47. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Luka, short. Rebound by Aguila. It's 3-2. Aguila, nice pass to Aguila. Open shot. Bang! 27-47. Now 20-point lead on leaders. Nice move, Luka. Rebound on Luka again. Luka pick. It's Luka time. 49-27. 55 seconds. Aguila. Guarded by Sergio. Aguila elbow jumper too strong. Rebound again Pureland. Pureland 23. Looking for Aguila. Aguila pick. Move. Kick out pass. Black. Again, it's now Sergio. It's Sergio, 35 seconds. It's kick ball, 36 seconds. Now 22-point lead on leaders. Steal on Pureland. Steal by steal again on leaders. It's Salazar. Too strong. Salazar now. Look out. Steal by Aguila. Aguila 1-1 by Salazar. Aguila. It's now with Aguila 3-2. Aguila running. Nice pass. Kick out pass. Elbow jump side. Back corner short. Rebound by Luka. Luka now to Cody. 10 seconds. Cody. One run. Goes over. Cody go. Short top. 5 seconds. And now for second quarter, our score. It's 49-27, all by leaders.
Number 85. Nicosi. Where's Nicosi? Luka, 14. So we put it on now on? I got 2. Where's Jerry's at? He's supposed to be there. That's the jersey or from the short? Okay. Sergio. My first name. My last name is something that is impossible to say. The only problem is he's a little
Now our score, 32 against the 49.
Cody. Are you sure that we're not going to the jail?
Mike, we can only wear the top, right? Just see the bottom. We already wear. We can change here.
No problem.
But we will start already. You can change it here?
Yeah. You want the whole thing?
Yeah, no problem.
This is our open league category. It's leaders versus Pure Life.
Now, third pad now. We can go third pad.
Alright. Short and all?
Back to the ball game, third quarter. It's leaders ball, leaders. Defense on Pure Life. Our score now, 49 against the 32.
Ang hirap na basahin yung pangalan.
Go. I played 2 days. Don't give me a 5.
Pasa mo na lang.
Demon. It's now Julian. Julian to Sergio. Pass to Ne. It's Ne. Rebound by Aguila. Now Aguila running, gunning. It's nice pass to Sergio. Oh, too strong. Now Ne. Running, gunning to Julian. It's 3-on-3. Now Julian. He should take a play. Now looking for Cody. Cody now. 10 seconds to shoot. Cody drive. Nice ball. Strong ball by strongman Cody. Now it's Abando. Cardinal by 2. Pick. Where are you? Bang! Abando. 34-51. Slowly now. Pure Light running. Now Julian. It's foul. Foul on number 10 on Pure Light. It's first team foul on Pure Light. First personal foul. It's number 10. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Julian to Cody. Elbow jump. Short rebound on Sir Demon. Sir Demon out. That pass to the nice pass. Too strong. Rebound again on Pure Light. Now Pure Light is 2-1. Looking for Abando. Abando. 1-1 by Cody. 1-1 on Cody. Abando move. Abando. Now he's still by net. Running by net. 1-1. He's still again by Pure Light. Aguila tatakling Aguila. Too strong. Rebound top. Rebound by net. Now it's Sergio. 1-1. Sergio now. Running by 1. Pass to Julian. It's Julian. 10 seconds to shoot. Demon. 1-1 by Abando. Demon again. Bang! It's Demon time. 53-34. Now Aguila.
Nice one, Egon!
Short. Rebound out. It's leaders ball. Leaders. 7 minutes and 44 seconds. Still 53-34. All by 19-point lead on Pure Light. Now Julian drive, stop, up. Kick out pass to Sergio. Sergio now. Back to Julian. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Julian! Aguila. Now guys, steal again by Julian. Move. It's Sergio. 58 against 34. All by leaders. Abando. 1-1 by Julian. Yumo. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. You can Galway. 6 minutes and 48 seconds. 58-37. Julian to net. Net run, never go to outs. Net. Basket count and 1 on net. Foul number 18 of Pure Light. Second team foul Pure Light. First on number 18 on Abando. Big throw shot coming from net. Too strong. Rebound by Abando. It's 6 minutes. Aguila. Hesitation drive. Move. Rebound again by Ne. Now Ne. Drive. It's Ne time. Ne move. Ne hang time. Short. Rebound by Aguila. Aguila. Guard by Ne. 1-1. Aguila now. Aguila. Pass to Abando. Foul. Foul on number 72 on net. First personal foul on net. First on the leader. 6 minutes. 37-60 our score. All by leaders. Two free throw shot coming from Abando. 38. Again to 60. It's 2 out of 2 coming from Abando. 60-39. Now Julian. Julian now will set a play. Looking for net. Pass to Sergio. Sergio now. Foul. Basket down and one again by Sergio. Foul on number 23. And on 2 pass. You pass now 30 foul on Pure Life. 62-39. Oh, Sergio 63 to 39 is Aguila. No hesitation shot, in and out, rebound by Ne. Ne, looking for Julian. 5 minutes. Collins foul. Foul on number 2.
You can stop now if you want to stop. Sir, pwede na mag-stop tayo, sir. Gusto na mag-stop, pwede na.
Warning for penalty on Pure Line. Julian, same spot. Rebound by Cody. Cody, kick out pass to net. Net for 3. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, there! Time out! All Pure Life, it's 66-39. All by leaders.
Go ahead, Kyle.
You have the shot now, ha?
Go ahead. Cody, take a break.
You call that one Ne Chamba. You call that one Chamba, Ne?
Y'all fine right there. Go ahead.
You can mix up now, ha?
Yeah, after 5 minutes, you can sub as much as you want.
Okay. Now.
Hey, y'all want to go get somebody really like this game? Like,
Now, Aguila.
everybody get a chance to play together, man. That's how we want it. Let everybody play.
Abando, 1-1 by Julian. Nice move. It's offensive foul on Abando. Now Pure Life on penalty. Now Pure Life over the limits. Now 5-team foul on Pure Life. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Nice pass to net. Wow, 1-9 now 68 against the 39.
Look better with the Hornets. I got this from the Hornets.
Nice move. Hey, drive. Stop up. Rebound by Sergio. Net. Away. Bang, bang, bang on there. 70 against the 39. Tape. Short. Rebound on Salazar. Foul. Foul on number 28. And you're right now. Penalty. That's penalty.
So number 11, Salazar, he plays, like, you know how they have the Emirates Filipino, like, professional league instead here. We got another.
Aguila. 1-1. Aguila. Nice pass again. Roy Aguila. 41-70. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. On the play coming from Aguila. Ne. To Julian. 10 seconds to shoot. Sergio. Back to Salazar. Hey! Sergio up and down short. Rebound on Abando. Now it's Aguila. Caught by 2. Arras. Aguila looking for his teammates now. It's corner by side. Nice pass. It's still again by Ne. It's 3-2. Ne. Run! By Ne. 72 to 41.
Alright, Cody, it's your turn. Get your turn.
2 minutes and 39. Rebound again by Ne running. It's third time running. Stop up. Looking for Sergio. It's foul. Foul on number 10. Now Pure Life in penalty. First personal foul on number 10 on Yunwol. Short.
When we get back on, I gotta run a little bit because I ain't really.
Yeah, you get close.
Well, I've been jogging them.
0-2 coming from Sergio. Rebound by Abando. Now Aguila, stayed the 2, guarded by 2, aroused by 2, Aguila now, looking, oh, still by Julian, pull a jump, looking for, bang! Mare! 72-41, still again by Salazar, hesitate, fake, and Salazar looking for net, open jump by net, too strong, rebound on Sergio, 14 seconds clock. Sergio to Julian, looking for net, tap, still on Aguila. Now it's Pure Life, running, gunning, it's Abando. 43 against the point 75. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Salazar, looking for Julian. Now he takes. Bang! Mare! 78 against the 41. 1 minute. Aguila.
5 Mitch.
Wala shot by Mitch. Steal again by Julian. Now Julian looking, running, coast to coast, masking up pass to Salazar. In and out, rebound on Aguila. It's all alone, nice move. Bang! Now 45 against 78. 45 seconds.
Go.
Julian.
Yeah, 2 for 1.
10 to shoot. One more by Julian. It's kick out pass. It's Mitch again for Drake. Too strong. Top. It's Julian. 25 seconds. Sergio. Rebound top. It's Aguila. 20.
Nice, George.
Too strong. Now net. 10 seconds. Short. 7 seconds.
Yeah.
Was that between the legs of the defender?
Yeah, it was.
Five. Abando. Black. And our third quarter score, it's 78-45. All by leaders. Last quarter ready, last quarter.
You can say it anytime.
Devon, last quarter, yeah.
Last quarter, yeah.
Last quarter.
Last quarter, Pure Light ball. Short. Rebound on Sir Devon. Now it's Mitch. Looking for Luca. Now Luca back to Mitch. Mitch now. Very basic. Salazar. Cody back to Salazar. Salazar for three. Bang! On Salazar. 81-45. Riolo. Too strong. Rebound again, Pure Life. 10 seconds to shoot. It's same ball. It's leaders ball. Leaders. 81-45. All by leaders. Now Devon. It's running violation number 2 on Scotty. Turnover on leaders. Our next game will be interesting category. It's Bahalia versus Waitrose. Rebound by Cody. Oh, too strong. Miscommunication between Cody and Luka.
Yeah, it is really hard.
Nice pass. Full rotation. Open jump again. Too strong. Rebound by Cody. Sure down. Meets. Stop up. Nice. Short. Sure down. Bang. 83 against 45. All by leaders. Turnover again by Pure Light. Back-to-back turnover against Pure Light.
Basic lang. Basic lang.
Nice move! Running without the ball. 85 to 45. Now, back-to-back turnover again on the Pure Light. It's 6 minutes remaining time. Last quarter.
Laro guys, laro.
Now Meets.
Go Pure Light.
Salazar. Short. It's foul. Foul on number 22 on Sir Demon. His first against Sir Demon. First team foul on leaders.
Tama tayo.
Time out po kaya? Time out? Pure Light? Time out?
Mag-50 nila lang. Mag-50 nila lang.
Not bad.
Nice move. Short. Rebound by Demon. Now Meets. Running. Meets. Nice. Oh, it's still again on Pure Light. It's Luka. Cody. Rebounds up. It's Pure Light ball. Oh, and a smash now 47-85. Then it's Mitch, 87, 47, 40-point lead now leaders. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, get now 50-87. Luka, it's foul. Basket down and one on Luka. Foul on number 9 on Pure Light. It's first team foul on Pure Light. 3 minutes and 41 seconds.
9. 7.
Saluya. Rebound by Cody. Now Mitch. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Mitch! Demon! Running, same time, running, same 35 years old. It's Demon time! Rebound! Substitution time, substitution.
Yeah, 2.
Sure ada nih.
2 minutes and 50!
Kamu interview English ya. Uy.
You missed the highlight, man. You missed the highlight.
10 seconds to shoot! Rebound by Ne. Now Ne thinking now Ne, run Ne, it's foul. Foul on Pirolo, it's second team foul on Pure Light. First personal foul against Pirolo. It's 2 minutes and 36 seconds. 1 out of 2 coming from Ne. 93, 50. Wow, rebound on Pure Life. Pure Life now. It's 12. Nice defense by Ner. 2 minutes, 15.
Di ba nakadalawa di dapat sana 95? 93.
Too strong. Rebound by Julian. It's Kobe. Nice move by Kobe. 95 to 50. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Last quarter. Abriola, the captain.
Let's go, y'all still got more to do.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Furata 53 against 95. Ne, drive. Going to go, side step on Ne, foul. Foul on number 21 on Pure Life. It's 13 foul on Pure Life. First, it's to number 21.
Julian, Luka.
Ne is now 2 out of 7 in the free throw run. It's 8 against 2 out of 8 in the free throw line. Still by now. It's Smith. All the way by Luka. It's not bang! 97 against the 53.
Ay, nako!
Steal again by turnover by Luka. 1 minute. Seconds. Nice pass. Rebound. Pula jumper now 55 against 97. Luka meets. Rebound top. It's now on 25 seconds. Pure Life. It's still on Kobe. Nice move. It's 3 on 1. It's clear goal. 29 seconds.
Wala pa naka 100 Ay, oo nga. Sabihin ko kayo na you wait for the Rim District. Rim District ba yun? Rim Island?
Luka, short. 25 seconds. It's 57-97. Now Ne. Bang! Ne. 5 seconds.
Ano na yung lalagyan ng scoring kayo?
Black. And now again is Lears 97 against